guys, good morning. It's currently 8 o'clock. I am volunteering at Brook today for the open house, and yeah, I hope to see most of you there if you guys watch my video. Okay, so now I'm ready to go. I am set, I think. Nothing else to do. I am going to leave now. My bus comes in 6 minutes and it's just like a minute's walk to the place. Right in front of the house. So yeah, I'm done. I'm ready. Gonna go downstairs. It's not too cold today, it's just -2. And Canada already spoiled my body weather thingy. How's that not cold? Anyways, I need to go downstairs. I said that already, right? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Let's start by correcting it all. Lower your finger, don't be coming at me with heart sending the meter. Tell you did wrong, and what makes it worse, you don't even have a nerve to ever say that you're sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry. Okay, so guys, I just realized that something. My assignment is due today. I didn't know that. My friend just told me that. So I have to start now on my phone. Oh my gosh, I want to sleep so much. Okay, so guys, we're waiting for 9:45 to go and get signed in. It's currently 8:57. I came early because the bus was only going to come every 36 whatever hour. So like when it's 9:36, it's 36, 7:36. If I don't come for 8:36, I'll come for 9:36 and I'll get here 9:55, and that's too late. So yay, I'm here with her. Do you know when this girl is coming?
Nana.
Yeah.
I think I should call her. Maybe she has slept off. I don't think so.
Cause I thought I was going to see her in the bus. Cause I felt that's the only bus coming this way.
No, I'm sure. Hi, where are you?
Someone just woke up.
Did you just wake up? Have you? Wow.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Oh.
See you. Bye.
You never wrong and I'm never right, and you went all the
stuff. So I'm the model, guys.
I think you have to be cooler than me.
Hey guys, so I am back. It's 10:30, I think, and I'm back home. I need to do my assignment that is due tonight. I did not know before. I thought it was due tomorrow, but it's due tonight. So I'm going to go rush it. It's a mind map. I have to rush to do that, and I'm gonna eat after. So bye bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and see you in the next video. Peace. Guys, something crazy. I'm coming out of the house today without a jacket. Like, I don't know what to say. I was just so excited. Ooh, I was covering the camera. But it's kind of weather I like. It's not too cold, not too hot. I don't like heat. I don't like cold. I'm just there, bro.